All right, we've got these 5 boxes here, and we want to fill them with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, using each digit exactly once. And the question is, how many ways can we fill these boxes so that the digit in this gray square, in each gray square, is greater than both of the digits, its neighboring digits. Okay, so the boxes on either side will be less than whatever we put in the gray square. Okay. So, all right, well, probably the most obvious thing to do would be to put the 4 and the 5 in these gray boxes, right? If we put a 4 and a 5 in here, then it doesn't really matter how we arrange the rest of the numbers because they're going to be less than the 4 and the 5. So, for this particular case, let's say we have the 4 here and the 5 here, we have 3 choices for the digits we can put in the first box, okay? And then we have 2 digits left, so we have 2 choices for this second digit and 1 choice for the third digit. Okay? And so that gives us 6 possibilities. But we can also rearrange these, the 4 and the 5. I was going to put the 4 in the first one again. We can make it 5 and 4. Okay? And again, it doesn't matter what we put in the other boxes, or which numbers we put in the other boxes. So we can arrange them any way we want. So we're going to have 3 choices. And 2 choices and 1 choice, which gives us 6 possibilities with this arrangement of the 4 and the 5. Okay, so that takes care of all the cases where we put the 4 and the 5 in the gray boxes. Okay, well, we also know that we pretty much have to put the 5, in one of the gray boxes, right? Because if we try to put the 5 in one of these white boxes, then the number in the gray box next to it is automatically going to be less than the 5, and that violates our criteria up here. So the 5 has to go in one of the boxes. But the 4, so let's say we put the 5 here. The 4, as long as we put it next to the 5 and not next to any other number, like if we put it here, okay, then we're okay. And then our next biggest number is the 3, okay? And then we can put the 1 and the 2 here, or we could put the 2 and the 1 here, right? So there, between those 2 cases where we have the 5 in one of the gray boxes, put the 4 next to it, that's the only place it could go, put the 3 in the other gray box, and then the 1 and 2. So we have 2 possibilities there. Now, we can also put the 5 over here, and then the 4 has to go here, and the 3 has to go here. And then we could put the 1 in the 2, or in the 2 in the 1, right there. So there's another 2 cases. Okay? So, anything else? So we have a total now, I think that's all the cases. So we have a total now of 12 plus 4, which is 16. Oops, 16. So that's our answer. There are 16 ways to arrange the digits such that the digits in the gray box are greater than the digits in the neighboring boxes. Okay? So there you go.